Dividing rational expression is just like dividing a fraction. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to follow the 4 steps. Step 1, copy the dividend. So our dividend will be the first fraction. So just bring down A over B. Step 2, change the operation to multiplication. Then step 3, get the reciprocal of the divisor. How to get the reciprocal? Okay, pagpapalitin mo lang, si numerator dadalin mo sa, at si denominator ay dadalin mo naman kay, okay, therefore, the reciprocal of C over D is what? Very good. We have D over C. And the last step, proceed to multiplication. Multiply numerator to numerator. A times D. Okay, we have AD. How about B times C? Okay, therefore, this is the answer. Do you understand? So this time, we're going to apply the given using a rational expression. Okay, the given is, we have 3x over 10 divided by 6 over 7y. Okay, step 1, what we're going to do, copy the dividend. What is the given dividend? We have 3x over 10. Step 2, change the operation to multiplication. Step 3, get the reciprocal of the divisor. What is the reciprocal of the divisor? 7y over 6. Then step 4, proceed to multiplication of rational expression. But before we proceed, apply cancellation na agad since our given is monomial. Based on the given, analyze. Sino ang pwede natin i-cancel? 6 and 3. Very good. Because 6 and 3 are both divisible by 3. So, 3 divided by 3. How about 6 divided by 3? Okay. Analyze. Meron pa ba? Sino pa po? Si 2 at 10 ay pwede ba i-cancel? Asaan si 10? Denominator. Nasaan si 2? Pwede ba mag-cancel ng denominator to denominator? No po. Kailangan numerator and denominator lang. So, since wala na tayong pwede i-cancel, our last step is get the product of the remaining terms. O, multiply na tayo. 1 times x. 1x times 7. 7x times y. 7xy. Over 10 times 2. Okay, therefore, the answer is 7xy over 20.